I was Yelena, and then I just did a TikTok as Nat with the braids. And now I gotta change it to my next look because I will be busy on Halloween, so I'm pre-filming all my costumes now since I can't wear my costumes on Halloween. I am... Hello? So, you have to stop. I was Thor before, but I'm just gonna be like a casual Thor because I want to make a specific TikTok. I'm trapped. I can't feel my arms. But I want to make a specific TikTok because I filmed partially some of a Loki TikTok yesterday. Oh man, like I can't feel my arms. Oh no. Hazel, don't bite me while I'm doing this. This costume doesn't actually fit, like the bodysuit. I can't feel my arms. It's too tight on my arms. And I don't know if you can see this, but the fabric, like that's not me. It's really bunchy up in the back. Like the legs fit well. You know, it's giving. But every time I move, the top part is like whatever. And it's really uncomfortable. How am I gonna get this off? Okay, there's a zipper in the back, but it's just me and Hazel. So, oh my god. Oh! This is the Thor we're going for because I lost my red cape. So I've got green tank top for the underlayer, and I guess like these jeans are gonna have to work. I hope this works. And then it's a gray denim jacket. This is what we're gonna have to go with. Like, it's a closet cosplay, you know what I'm saying? Like, and then I just need my black umbrella that I will get to turn into Mjolnir. So hair is pulled back in a pony. Slay, slay. Okay, and now I just have to give myself a little beard. Hello? Why is this not bearding? Oh, yeah, there we go. Wait, why am I kind of giving right now? I'm like legitimately giving Thor. Clean her up. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. Okay. We've made a dire mistake. Help. It's literally just like coloring time. Like, hello? All this for one TikTok, mind you. Why am I low-key serving? Finished look. Terrible. Okay, I've changed for my last costume. This shirt is too small for me, but it's fine. It's looking giving Regina George.
What?
I'm gonna have to draw on more facial hair. So really and truly, there is no point in me doing this, but I'm trying to slay. This is what I'm doing with my free time. Dressing up as different Marvel characters. I wish I had a wig to like really sell the whole Tony Stark bit. I should wear my hair back like this more often. Why am I giving cheekbone? Oh, no wonder it wasn't showing up. I was accidentally using the lightest shade. What does he look like again? I don't know if it connects. I hope it does, dear Lord. Wait, I'm kind of starving. I'm kind of eating down. Where's my phone? All right, let's look at you, T. Stark. So I've done this all wrong. This has to go. But the rest was correct. That's not bad. Wait, should I become a special effects makeup artist? Cause like, hello?
Are you serious right now, bro?
You're a laboratory experiment, Rogers. Everything special about you came out of a bottle. Oh, I'm so slaying. Okay. Now, let's see how we can maybe make my hair. Should I go like just down? Oh, dear God. I don't think this is gonna work. What? Like, again, I am doing all of this for a TikTok. Wait, okay, hold on. He wears a long sleeve underneath. Stop! I look like him. I am him. What do you mean? I am him! I am Iron Man! Wait, let me make this TikTok. Tony Stark does drive. Hey, Jarvis, put in my GPS to go to the theater. Nighttime driving. Nighttime driving. Oh, is that because I was under a street lamp? Oh God. Oh no. Guys, are you okay? None of them know that I'm like this. Also, this is a public event. I don't have social anxiety, but But I do sometimes get insecure that people will think that I'm like weird, not just like funny, cool weird. But then again, like it's my life, you know? And this is funny to me. I don't like getting scared, y'all. I don't know why I'm going to support my friends who are involved in this, and I'm going to support the theater, my local community, but I am so incredibly scared. Not only am I scared for the social repercussions of me showing up like this, just on a Thursday evening, but I'm also scared that I'm gonna crap my pants. Got the check. Got the check. There is a line, you guys. There's a line. Should I leave? Not a soul in this line is in costume. I'm so sorry, I just looked at myself in the finder. Are you ready for the haunted house? Yeah. Why are you baking a cake?
I just want to bake a cake.
I said, what else do you do in that?
Man of all trades. I keep forgetting what I look like.
Wait for the okay.
Do you want to say anything to the vlog? Oh, Hannah? There's people in there. I knew it. I think I'm gonna throw up. My stomach hurts so bad.
Everybody got you comfort, buddy?
Yes. I'm filming a video, by the way. Okay. Are y'all okay if you're in the background? Okay. Right. Just want to make sure. I'm not going first. I'm not going first.
You good? Seth will go first.
No, okay.
Right down the aisle.
No, no. Oh, absolutely not. Oh my God! What do you mean this way? Oh my God! Hi.
Everybody together, this way.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Come on.
What do you mean?
Everybody together.
What do you mean? Oh. Do you want to be in my vlog? Why does this sound like Five Nights at Freddy's?
Go.
What do you mean that's the exit? I've been in here. Hi, James. Are you okay? Bro. It's just James. It's John Pork. Yes, twin. Give it to him. Yes. Oh, I heard something move. Yes. Oh, absolutely not. What is happening?
That way.
I'm not going up there. I'm not going up there. I'll do it for the vlog. I'll do it for the vlog. I'll do it for the vlog. I'll do it for the free. Stop! I'm about to throw up. Don't come this way. She's coming. What do you mean? Who's coming? Oh, I feel like I'm gonna actually get tased. It's Little Mermaid all over again. Hi. I'm cooked right now. Praise the Lord. Oh my God. She's not breaking and she's not talking to me.
Alright.
Hi, Elena. Blink once if you need help. You were born for this. You're also eating down right now. Hello. Face tea. Face card never declined. Wasn't even that scary.
0 out of 10 on the fear
Yeah. Actually, it was a breeze to walk through.
I've never been scared in my life.
Yeah, I don't get scared.
Same.
I don't get scared. I'm Iron Man, dog. If you heard somebody screaming, that was Steve Rogers, bro.
Hi, can I do the Cantina chicken quesadilla? And then can I do an order of the Fiesta potatoes?
Okay.
And an order of chips and cheese?
Okay.
And then a small Sierra Mist.
All right. What else for you?
That's it.
Any sauce?
Mild sauce, please.
Would you like to round up?
Sure.
Okay. Thank you for that donation. It's gonna be 16 even. I'll see you at the window.
Thank you so much.
All right. Thank you.
What's your Taco Bell order? I'm interested to find out. Hi. Thank you. You too. Woo! We got it. We got it, baby. Yeah. Jarvis, get me home. I'm about to go inside and eat this Taco Bell and crash. Hopefully, I have enough energy to get this makeup off. But honestly, pretty good Halloween Eve. Happy Halloween, everyone. I hope you have a wonderful day. Let me know what your costume is. Yeah, I'll see you in the next vlog. I love you 3000!